Hi, today we're going to talk about how to create the line graph in Tableau. So for creating this chart, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So for creating this chart, I'll just take the ship date dimension and I'll drop it onto the column shelf. And I'll take the sales field and I'll drop it onto the row shelf. So as you can see, our line chart is ready. So here we can see in the column shelf the shift date dimension is by default in year. So we can also change it accordingly. So if you want to change it to the month, you just have to click on the drop down and you can select the month. So here you can see now the line chart is showing according to the month. So here you can see that January, February, March, April, and at last it is December. So here we can, it is how we can create the line chart. And let's say, suppose we drag the profit measure and I'll drop it on the row shelf. So after dropping here, so Tableau create the different axes for the profit. So here you can see the upper chart showing the sales, uh, and the lower chart is showing the profit. So this is how we can create the line chart in Tableau. Thank you.